Hey everybody, this is Devin Anthony.
And Zachary Fleck. Yes.
It's my cousin Ziggie. Ziggie, what I put on YouTube last night? Ziggie Fresh?
Ziggie Fresh.
Anyway, this is just Ziggie.
Yeah.
And
From
I'm
Facebook,
Devin
from
Anthony.
YouTube, yeah.
I'm not Devin P today, I'm just Devin Anthony. I'll show you my other cousin, but he's...
Never mind.
Yeah, but anyway.
Wait, can I be in the picture?
Today, this video is about...
Yeah.
Today, this... Well, first of all, let me say I'm at MSU.
Yes, we are.
The State Youth Conference. See, Michigan State Youth Conference. And my dad is in the other room. He's one of the youth workers. Actually, director, more likely. And he's asleep. Like within the first 10 minutes that we came into the room, he fell asleep. That's one of the first things he did.
Sleep.
I mean, sleep. So I'm about to go. I'm about to go show you.
Shh. You gotta be quiet. You gotta be quiet.
Okay. Hey, Pops. Okay, you good? Love you, man.
I wanna do. Did you end it?
I'm about to sign out.
Did you end it? No, don't sign out.
I am right now.
Oh, let me see. Yeah.
For what?
I wanna be in it. I just wanna talk to him real quick.
For what?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you have just witnessed
It is together, actually.
was another video of Devin Anthony's.
It's not talent.
And
Why are you looking at yourself?
oh,
In the mirror.
well, I mean,
Anyway,
this is me right in real life. This is me in the mirror. Yeah, that's me. What up? You know. So yeah. Peace and blessings.
Taking over. Signing off, this is Devin Anthony, Ziggie, and A-Rod. Goodbye.